Hi viewers, previously I have given you a puzzle in which we have a king, 3 wives, and for each wife there was a personal servant maid. Let me reveal the answer first. We have multiple answers for that particular question. The minimum number for that question is 25. He brought 25 diamonds to the first wife. She has divided into 3 parts, 8, 8, 8, and she has given 1 to her servant maid. And these 2 bunch were taken to the wife 2, and these are 16 divided into 3 again, each 5, and 1 is remained, and she has taken her share. And again the bunch which was remained was being taken to the third wife, and here we have 10. Again she has divided into 3 equal shares, 3, 3, 3, and where 1 is being remained. Similarly, I think if you go for 52, 17 3s 51. 1 is remained. She has taken her share. Wife 1, 17, 17 again 34. Wife 2, 34. 11, 11, 11, and 1 is remained. She takes her share. We are left with 22. And wife 3, 22. Again she does 7, 7, 7. She takes her share. 1 is remained. And next, even when I think about, I think 79. Three equal parts. 79. If you take out 1, 78. 3 to 6, 3, 6. 26. 1 is remained. She takes her share, and 2 are remained, 26 and 26. It becomes 52. Again 17, 17, 17. 1 is remained. Okay, with the second wife, 1 is remained. She takes her share. 17 and 17 together we get again 34. 11, 11, 11. She takes her share. 1 is remained. That means if you observe the pattern over here for this particular question, initially we got the answer as 25, next 52, next 79. Can you guess the next answer? This is following a particular series. 25, 52, 79, and so on, where we can observe the difference between the 2 numbers as 27. Okay, that is the answer for the previous puzzle I have given you. Now, in this session, we are going to learn about the Criss Cross method of writing the chemical formula. Okay then, this is Santosh Kumar. Welcome to my channel, Sims Academy. Now today we are going to learn about the chemical formula, how we write the chemical formula, why the formula of sodium chloride is NaCl but not NaCl2 or Na2Cl, why the formula of magnesium oxide is only MgO but not Mg2O or MgO2, why the formula of sodium sulfate is Na2SO4 but not NaSO4 or something else. anything can happen. Yes, we may think, because I have come across so many of my students doing mistakes in writing the chemical formula. Okay, hence Criss Cross method. This Criss Cross method was being introduced by a chemistry teacher. Like me, but previously he made this method for his students to make to know about the chemical formula perfectly. Okay. So before going to have the Criss Cross method of writing the chemical formula, we need to have the knowledge regarding the radicals or ions. First of all, what is radical or ion? Suppose, let us take sodium. Atomic number is 11 and it has got 11 electrons. For attaining stability, as we know, 2, 8, 2 electrons in the first orbit, 8 electrons in the second orbit and 1 electron in the third orbit. To get the octet configuration, it loses 1 electron and forms Na plus ion, that is 2, 8 if it loses this 1 electron. Okay. Hence it forms Na plus. Similarly, let us move on to oxygen. Atomic number is 8, 2 in the first orbit, 6 in the second orbit. For attaining stability, it needs to have the 8 electrons in the second orbit. And for attaining 8 electrons in the second orbit, it should gain 2 electrons. Or for attaining 2 electrons in the first orbit is also stable. It needs to lose 6 electrons. Giving of 6 electrons is easy, or taking of 2 electrons is easy. Obviously, gaining of 2 electrons is easy. Yes, we never go to a person and ask for a cigarette if we have a matchbox, right? We ask for a matchbox if we have a cigarette. That's the important thing. Okay. The same is done over here. This oxygen has got 6 electrons and it wants to take 2 electrons. It takes 2 electrons. The electrons are negatively charged and hence forms O minus 2 and it gets 2 more electrons in the second orbit. Hence it becomes stable. That means all these atoms, either by losing or gaining of electrons, they form ions. We can define ions are an atom or the group of atoms. Even we have nitrates, nitrites, sulfates, sulfites, all those things, ammonium ion, NH4 plus, all those things. These are the atoms or the group of atoms existing independently with charges. Either it might be a positive charge or a negative charge. If we know about the ions or radicals, then we can write the chemical formula of any compound very, very easily. Okay, let us write. Let us start it now. Let us start with sodium itself. As we know, sodium, okay, basic formula sodium chloride. Sodium ion, it's a combination. Sodium chloride is a combination of sodium ion and chloride ion. Sodium ion, we know it is Na plus. Chloride, it is Cl minus. It is plus 1, it is minus 1. Let us write the magnitudes of the charges below the respective ions. Only the magnitude of the charges, but not the charges. Either it might be positive or negative, whatever it might be. Let us write the magnitude 1, 1 below the given ions. This is Criss, this is cross. We get Na1, Cl1, 1, 1. Same, 1 means Na1, 1 means Cl1. We need not mention 1 here. Hence the formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Let us write sodium fluoride. Okay, sodium fluoride Na plus, fluoride is F minus, 1 1 1 1, Criss Cross, Na1 F1 1 1 taken out, it becomes NaF. Similarly, we shall go on to the next one, sodium oxide. Sodium oxide, Na plus O minus 2, this is plus 1, 1 below sodium ion, 2 below oxygen ion, this is Criss, this is cross, we get Na2O, 1, 1 we did not mention here, hence the formula of sodium oxide is Na2O. Okay, we shall write sodium hydroxide, sodium ion Na plus, hydroxide ion OH minus, again 1 1 1 1, Criss Cross NaOH. Next, let us move on to sodium nitrate. Sodium Na plus, nitrate NO3 minus. This is plus 1, this is minus 1 1, again Criss Cross NaNO3. 1 we did not mention here. Okay, sodium nitrate formula is NaNO3. And yeah, first I asked you about sodium sulfate. Sodium, it is again Na plus, sulfate, it is SO4 minus 2, this is plus 1 1 here, 2 magnitude of the charge, twin cross Na, twin SO4. This is about the different compounds of sodium. I hope you people understand about this. It's very easy. We have to write their respective ions first. After writing their respective ions, we need to mention the magnitude of their charges below the respective ions. After that, we need to do Criss. Next, cross. Next, write the formula. Now, sometimes we may face difficulty in doing. Okay, let us take magnesium. Magnesium chloride. Magnesium, it is Mg plus 2. Chloride, it is Cl minus, minus 1, 2, 1, Criss Cross MgCl2. Next we shall move on to magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium, it is Mg plus 2, hydroxide, it is OH minus, minus means minus 1, 2, 1, Criss Cross. For Mg we get 1, for OH we get this time 2. And this is read as MgOH taken twice. Magnesium hydroxide formula is MgOH taken twice. Okay. Let us go on to magnesium oxide. Okay, I'll mention magnesium anyway, Mg plus 2, oxide O minus 2. Here we have 2, 2, Criss, twin. Write the formula. I hope you have written the formula, but I think you got the answer as Mg2O2. Now, in this particular case, whenever we have the common, whenever we take as common, we can take here 2 is common in both of them, and we write MgO where 2 is taken as common. Hence, the formula of magnesium oxide is MgO but not Mg2O2. This is very, very important. The formula of magnesium oxide is MgO but not Mg2O2, and we say it as an empirical formula. That means in writing the names of the chemical compounds, we may sometimes write their empirical formula. That is very important. Similarly, we may come across magnesium sulfate. This is Mg plus 2 sulfate SO4 minus 2. So when I get confused here, this is 2, Criss Cross. For Mg we got 2, SO4 also we got 2, but we can take these 2 as common. Hence the formula of magnesium sulfate is MgSO4. It is not Mg2SO4 taken twice. Similarly, let us write magnesium nitrate. Mg plus 2, NO3 minus 2, 1, Criss Cross, Mg, NO3 taken twice. Let us go on with other one. Magnesium nitride. Mg plus 2, N minus 3, 2, 3, Criss Cross, Mg3, N2 is the formula of magnesium nitride. I hope you people understand this. And next, I'll show you, even some of my students have faced problem in writing the formula based on one cation, that is ammonium. Let us see. We have ammonium chloride. Ammonium formula NH4 plus chloride Cl minus 1 charges, no charges, magnitudes, Criss Cross NH4 Cl is the formula. We should not mention 1 here. We need not mention 1 here. Ammonium sulfate. NH4 plus sulfate SO4 minus 2. This is 1, this is 2, this is Criss, this is cross. Here NH4, we should write it as this 4 is different and this 2 is different. NH4 plus, it is a radical, separate radical, it is being taken twice. Hence NH4 taken twice, sulfate again, SO4 only one time. Okay? And similarly, cuprous chloride, cupric chloride, cuprous sulfate, cupric sulfate, cuprous oxide, ferrous oxide, ferric oxide, whatever it might be, we can write the chemical formula of so many compounds by using this Criss Cross method. I will give you some. This is ferrous chloride, ferrous Fe plus 3, Fe plus 2, ferric chloride, Fe plus 3, cuprous chloride, Cu plus, and chloride you know that is Cl minus, cupric chloride, Cu plus 2, ferrous oxide, ferric oxide, cuprous oxide, cupric oxide, ferrous sulfate, ferric sulfate, and anything. We can write all the ionic compounds by using this Criss Cross method of writing the chemical formulae given by whom? Kim Top. Okay, not that Kim from that China. Okay, Kim Top is a chemistry teacher, and this is the Criss Cross method. By using this, first of all, we need to learn the radicals. Radicals must be known compulsorily. After you understand, you have the better knowledge about the radicals, you can write the chemical formula of any compound very easily. And the previous puzzle I have given you the solution to 25, 52, 79 and so on. That means the answer differs by 27. Hope you enjoyed this session, and this is about chemistry, general chemical formulae, and in the next session we are going to learn about the simple multiplication, how to multiply the numbers in a very single step. That means, okay, single step law. We do multiply by using, suppose two digits are multiplied, we use 2 steps. Three digits are multiplied, we use 3 steps. Not like that. For 2 digit multiplication, we have only 1 step. For 3 digit multiplication, we have only 1 step. And even for 4 digit multiplication also we have a single step, but we need to have a lot of practice for doing such kind of multiplications in a single step. Okay, this is the end of today's session. I am signing off, and please do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, tips, tricks, and please share these kind of things for the students who are in need. Thank you very much.